This is Scott the Fix-It Guy. Today we're going to deal with how to get your dryer working stronger again so that it heats the clothes faster, and it's mainly going to be from clearing out this ducting here where the filter goes in, and then also cleaning the filter. So we're going to remove these two Phillips head screws. This is on a Frigidaire dryer. A lot of these dryers are similar though. You can remove this plastic grill, usually just a couple screws holding it on. And you can reach in to this ducting and you can pull out all that junk that builds up over the years. So in this case there's a lot of lint, and that just blocks the airflow and makes the dryer work much harder. So it makes the dryer cycle last a lot longer than it needs to, waste energy. Sometimes it can even cause a fire because this stuff is pretty combustible. So it's pretty easy to clean, and this is one of the fastest ways to get rid of this stuff, is just to remove the little plastic filter housing that's preventing you from reaching in there, give you enough room, and you can just pull all that stuff out. You'll find that your clothes dry a lot faster. So that looks pretty good. We'll go ahead and put the grill back on, and then we're going to talk about how to clean the filter. This filter was pretty messed up. It wasn't sitting down all the way because there's all that lint in the way. And also the filter itself was completely clogged, and it wasn't just the normal lint, but it was a waxy residue that was from the dryer sheets, the anti-cling sheets that you can put in with your clothes. And we highly recommend that you don't use those because they coat your clothing with a waxy substance. They also coat the entire dryer with a waxy substance, including your filter and your moisture sensor, and it makes it really hard for your dryer to know if the clothing is dry. And also because the filter is clogged, the dryer just can't do its job very well. It can't get rid of all the water. We can see how clogged this thing is. So it's actually all the lint has been pulled off, but we still can't even see through it. This should be somewhat translucent and also very white in color. Instead it's gray and you can't see through it at all. It's opaque. And when you run water on it, the water should be able to flow right through the filter. But if the water pools up, that's evidence of that waxy coating that's built up. And I believe that this filter probably had zero airflow. So the dryer probably could not dry the clothes at all. So the water's just pooling up. And what we do to get rid of it is we just use an old toothbrush and some really hot water. And also it's wise to use some dishwasher detergent to break apart that wax. And the best thing is to not use these dryer sheets, but instead they have like a little plastic looking tennis balls that you put in there, and that grabs onto all the static electricity so that it gets rid of static and it doesn't coat your dryer. So I'm putting some dishwasher detergent on there too. And you just scrub with the hot water and your toothbrush both sides of the filter, and what you'll notice when you're done is that it's much lighter in color, and also water just passes right through it, and it's a little bit more translucent where you can kind of see through it. It's a common problem, and it's mainly due to people using the anti-static dryer sheets. So there's a lot of different products you can get to get rid of the static, but the one we recommend does not have a waxy feeling to it. It just looks like a plastic tennis ball size, which is hollow and has little knobs on it that help increase the surface area so you can get rid of more of the static electricity. But yeah, the dryer sheets are your dryer's worst enemy. They don't warn people about it, but you waste a lot of energy and wears out your dryer a lot faster. So now we're just rinsing off all of the wax and the detergent. Give it a little bit more scrubbing, and we can see that it's already becoming more translucent and the water just flows right through. So that's also what the air does. So now the moist air can just flow right through and leave the dryer and leave your house, and your clothes will dry a lot faster. It's a very easy solution to get your dryer tuned up. It's also recommended to check your dryer vent tube to make sure it's not full of lint. You can do that by just going outside, and while your dryer is running, put your hand near the vent, and it should feel like a pretty powerful hair dryer. If it doesn't, it probably means that that vent tube is clogged. So I'm just going to dry off this residue, and then just look at the difference. So this is really pretty much see-through and much whiter in color, and this looks brand new. So easy way to get your dryer running good again. Just take you probably 10 minutes. And if you don't use those dryer sheets, then all you got to do is just pull the lint off now and then. The filter should sit all the way down flat. It should not be raised up. We're just going to close it, give it a test, make sure it's all good. And this dryer is going to run like new again. So thanks so much for watching, and please subscribe to our channel when you get a chance.